Looking for the best budget robot mop combos that actually clean? Today we're reviewing the top picks that are getting amazing reviews on Amazon. At number 1, we have the MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop, 90 days self-emptying. With 8,000 PA suction, dual anti-tangle for pet hair, carpet, and hard floor, LiDAR navigation, smart mapping, 160 minutes runtime, app and voice control. Priced at $239.98 with 4.6 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 2, we have the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 90-day self-emptying, 10,000 PA suction, with DTOF and laser navigation and smart mapping, anti-tangle, 160-minute runtime, ideal for hard floors, pet hair, and carpets. Priced at $229.99 with 4.6 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 3, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 5,000 PA robotic vacuum cleaner, 150 min max, app and remote control, ideal for hard floor, carpet, pet hair, self-charge, G8000 Max. Priced at $108.99 with 4.4 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 4, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 6,000 PA automatic robotic vacuum cleaner, smart mapping, 150 min max, ideal for pet hair, hard floors, carpets, home, L8000 Pro. Priced at $149.99 with 4.6 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 5, we have the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, 30,000 pascal suction, instant self-cleaning Osmo roller mop, true edge deep edge cleaning system, AI obstacle avoidance. Priced at $699 with 4.0 stars, this product offers excellent value. That wraps up our top budget robot mop combos that actually clean review. Check the links in the description for the best deals.